taking good care of yourself, and I'm welcoming you on my channel Food Trivia and Lifestyle by Anuradha. I'm dietitian Anuradha, and today let's talk about a very common problem and how to combat it with one fantastic food of our pet food. That common problem is none other than thyroid. Yes, the thyroid is a problem which is so common nowadays in every age spectrum, sometimes also across gender, and it has a very wide reaching effects, like from weight gain to hair fall to so many menstrual periods related problem, conceiving problem, and everything that we are going to discuss of one superfood which would really help you to naturally take care of your thyroid problems. So let's quickly move on to the next section to find out more about this superfood. Today's topic is thyroid, and do you know that thyroid gland has the highest concentration of selenium and of a mineral when we compare to all other parts or the organs of our body? Yes, are you surprised? Well, so any food which is high in selenium, when would be taken to take care of our thyroid gland and also the hormone released by these thyroid glands. And one such food is none other than sesame seeds. Yes, the till seeds or the sesamin compound present in the oil of the sesame seeds are basically really helpful in taking care of thyroid because of its selenium content. So no wonder you might have heard a lot about the sesame oil being used for the hair fall as well. So today I'm going to share with you one fantastic recipe including sesame seeds to really take care of your hair fall and the thyroid. So it's a combined super duper recipe, and I hope that you are going to like it. So friends, let's know the recipe which is going to give you 100% guaranteed hair growth as well as would stop your hair fall, because this recipe includes all the star ingredients needed for correcting your thyroid as well as your hair fall due to it. This is none other than curry leaf sesame seed chutney, where you need 1 cup of curry leaves, 1.5 tsp of sesame seed, 1 tsp of sesame seed oil, pumpkin seed, sunflower and melon seeds 1 tsp, salt, red chili powder and cumin powder. All you have to do is to slightly heat the sesame seed oil in the wok and just add all the ingredients in that shallow wok and roast it for a few minutes. Once they are roasted, just turn off the gas and let it cool and grind it in the grinder, and voila! Your chutney is ready within a few minutes. Really. And there also comes a trivia that instead of sesame seeds, you can also add coconut oil and coconut, as they are extremely good for thyroid and hair, especially during the summer season. If you feel that sesame seeds are very thermogenic and heat generating for you, you can really replace them with coconut or the coconut hair. You can also use this chutney even if you are not a thyroid patient but just want to correct your hair fall and would use it for your hair growth, because all the ingredients are extremely good. They're excellent not only for your hairs but also for your skin health. So do let me know once you made this chutney that how do you find it in taste and what changes are you seeing in your hairs as well as in skin health. Very soon I will try to make videos on individual ingredients and make more innovative ways to add them in your diet. Thank you for watching me and loving me so far. I really hope that you have liked this video. Like, share and comment on this video, because I would be waiting for your feedback on this recipe. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe